Normally, you would end a good Lucknowi meal with biryani and then dessert. But before I move to the dessert, I'm going to have one more tunde kebab. Kyun? They say that korma from Lucknow is one of the easiest as well as one of the most difficult dishes to make. टुंडे के कबाब बन रहे हैं.
ये नवाबी पराठा एंड टुंडे.
नवाबी पराठा और टुंडे के कबाब. Oh, this is really nice. And this is one of those things that are addictive. If you start eating, you can't stop eating this. आप चैलेंज करोगे तो पूरा खा सकता हूँ मैं. लेकिन it depends upon you, not about me. Sometimes I wake up in the morning, open my eyes, and I dream of food from Lucknow. It's like the smells and the sounds of the street of Lucknow are beckoning me. I can actually feel the tunde kebab in my mouth. But you know, every time I wake up and think of Lucknowi food, I cannot take a flight and go to Lucknow. So what is the option? The option is to look for a place which is doing really good Lucknowi food, but right here where I am. So I am in Mumbai and I've arrived at Barbecue Nation because Barbecue Nation is doing a Lucknowi festival of the food with the same kind of flavors and the fragrances and the adab that Lucknowi food brings you. So, shall we go inside and taste some of this fabulous Lucknowi food? चलिए जाते हैं अंदर और लखनवी खाने का मजा उठाते हैं और पूछते हैं कि खाने में क्या है. As you know, Barbecue Nation has been very famous for its kebabs for years. In fact, the idea of live kebabs coming to the table itself on a live grill. But today, I'm going to try the Lucknowi food. So come, let's meet the chef and find out what he's cooking. So with me is Kushal Singh ji, who's the master chef over here. तो कुशाल सिंह जी नमस्ते. कैसे हो आप?
एकदम बढ़िया सर.
मैं आपको उस्ताद बोलूं क्योंकि लखनऊ में सब उस्ताद होते हैं जो खाना बावर्ची जो खाना पकाते हैं उन्हें. हाँ, तो आज की जो दावत है यहाँ लखनवी खाने की है, तो लखनवी खाने की खासियत क्या है?
सर इसका लखनवी खाना इज बेसिकली इज द फ्लेवर ऑफ अरोमा एंड स्पाइसेस एंड
नाइस
of the food. Of the food is very old
ट्रेडिशनल
cuisine. तो हमने हर जगह लखनऊ के मेन जो आइटम्स है वो वहाँ पे हैं, उनको हम लोग यहाँ पे बनाते हैं. जैसे टुंडे कबाब है तो
टुंडे कबाब मुझे बहुत पसंद है. हाँ,
उसका सेफ रेसिपी, वहाँ के मसाले, वहाँ के एसेंस जो भी है वो सब हम वहाँ से गोलमार्ग चौक से फेमस है तो हम वहाँ से लाए हो.
तो पूरा असली लखनवी ऑथेंटिक खाना है. देखते हैं यहाँ क्या है. तो ये
यहाँ से सर,
यहाँ से स्टार्ट करें.
यहाँ से
ओके.
सर बिरयानी है
और हम देख भी सकेंगे और उसको अरोमास भी ले सकेंगे. बिरयानी है यहाँ
सर. बुरहानी गोश्त एंड मुर्ग बंजारा
ओके
एंड कोस्टल फिश करी एंड एग करी.
ओके, एग करी
एंड ये सलाड्स.
ये सब सलाड है. तो ये यहाँ चाट काउंटर है. तो ये लखनवी चाट नहीं,
ये नॉर्मली चाट है.
अपना चाट है.
ये नॉर्मली चाट है.
बारबेक्यू नेशन का
दिस साइड डेजर्ट काउंटर.
यस सर.
नवाबी पराठा बन रहा है.
अच्छा, नवाबी पराठा.
सर लखनऊ का स्पेशली नवाबी.
देखते हैं ये कैसे बनता है नवाबी पराठा. नमस्ते.
टुंडे के कबाब.
अच्छा,
बन रहा है.
टुंडे के कबाब बन रहे हैं.
ये नवाबी पराठा एंड टुंडे.
नवाबी पराठा और टुंडे के कबाब एकदम आप यू कैन सी दैट द कबाब्स आर
माइल्ड,
सॉफ्ट,
एकदम माइल्ड, एकदम माइल्ड हो जाएगा.
और एकदम जो मटन है वो एकदम सॉफ्ट है.
बहुत सॉफ्ट होता है.
बहुत सॉफ्ट होता है. चलो, तो ये देखकर ही भूख लग गई. हाँ, तो आपके हाथ का थोड़ा
बिल्कुल सोच
लखनवी खाना हो जाए.
यस सर.
हाँ, चलो लेट्स ईट. So the food is laid out in front of me, but before I start digging into the Lucknowi Awadhi Khana, since I am at Barbecue Nations, so I'm going to start off with what is always available over here, what this restaurant is iconically known for, 2 or 3 dishes that are very, very famous. Okay, one is the Cajun spice potato over there, second is the crispy corn, and the butter garlic prawns, which come like this, always on when you order the grill on the table, the meats and the proteins or the paneer or whatever you want laid out in front of you, so that you can have it hot, you can have it yourself, and as much as you want. I'm going to start with the prawn. They even have a special fork for it. The key thing about eating any prawn is that it has to be fresh. These prawns are just really fresh, cooked to perfection, slightly spiced with garlic, chili, and a lot of butter. And they're quite delicious, I must say. Beautiful. Now to try the corn. Niblets of prawn, which are batter fried and made into a sort of chaat. It's really crunchy. It's sweet corn. So there's a sweetness to it, there's a spiciness to it, there's a crunchiness to it, and the greatness of Indian chaat. With a little bit of spices, a little bit of raw onion, coriander. Oh, this is really nice. And this is one of those things that are addictive. If you start eating, you can't stop eating this. Which is evidently clear, and you can see me munching away. But I have a full meal to eat, and I don't want to stock my face only with the corn, but I have to taste the Cajun spiced potatoes. Very interesting these are. Let me get a bite of this and I'll tell you what they taste like. So, if I was to describe it in my own words, it's a bit like an aloo tuk with nice Cajun spices, with a bit of dressing on it, spices, raw onion. And who can resist potato? Especially if it's fried. Now that I've done with the iconic dishes of Barbecue Nation, let's head to Lucknow and let's try the Lucknowi Khana. I'm going to start with Lucknow's favorite dish, the tunde kebab. And I'm going to have the tunde kebab with the Nawabi paratha. Now, the Nawabi paratha is stuffed. It's got keema inside. Lovely. Now comes the test of the tunde kebab. Is it as soft as it should be? Yes, it is. The meat is so tender. It's just delicately spiced and is beautifully smoked on a tawa. If there was nothing on the table, I can eat 8-9 kebabs so आराम से खा सकता हूँ. Beautiful. I have been to Lucknow several times. I've eaten on the streets of Lucknow, I don't know how many times. I've eaten at the original tunde kebab. I've eaten at the not so original tunde kebabs. I've eaten in 5-star hotels. This tunde kebab is as close to an asli Lucknowi tunde kebab as you can find. And why? Because it is tender, it's soft, it's mildly spiced, and it's smoky. And it's really, really nice. And smokiness does not come from a barbecue, it comes from the fry. अब क्या खाएं? You know what they say about korma? They say that korma from Lucknow is one of the easiest as well as one of the most difficult dishes to make. Let's see how this korma holds up to my test. Oh, it's quite nice. So this same korma, when you cook it on a slow fire under dum, they call it over here dum ka murg. So you taste it. It's got fried onion paste. It's got curd, yogurt, and it's looks lovely. Let's try it. You know, the magic is always in the onions and the onion paste. When you have a fried onion paste, it adds a certain amount of sweetness to the gravy. Also, if you're a vegetarian, don't get frightened. Over here, they've got some really nice looking vegetarian food as well. जैसे मुर्ग मुसल्लम होता है ना, वैसे ये है गोभी मुसल्लम. So let's try the gobi musallam. What the hell? This gravy is very, very nice. And anybody who likes cauliflower, I'm quite sure will like this. Gobi was a rich cashew-based gravy with florets of cauliflower. Cool. अभी बिरयानी हो जाए, बिरयानी खाते हैं. Okay? Before I have the biryani, this kebabs are a must. And I honestly, shall I tell you, I've been eating these kebabs since they first opened in 2006 at Pali Hill. I remember going there. It was an unusual concept then and still remains an unusual concept because nobody really does this. And as well as Barbecue Nation, this is typical Barbecue Nation. Today, Barbecue Nation is in 85 cities with 194 outlets serving this kebab. Having the grill on the table makes all the difference. Okay, now this is called a bhayaji ke kebab. Apparently in Lucknow, there's a bhayaji who makes these famous kebabs and you can get them here at Barbecue Nation as well. Over here, there are no stick. Vegetables, potato, stuffed with cheese, deep fried. Interesting. Biryani ho jaye, biryani. Now remember, if you were to go completely classical, अगर लखनऊ वाले को पूछोगे तो कहते हैं कि हमारे लखनऊ में बिरयानी नहीं बनती, हमारे लखनऊ में पुलाव बनता है. क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि इनकी जो बिरयानी होती है या पुलाव होता है वो यखनी से बनता है. The meat is cooked in a yakhni, slow fire, till tender, after which the rice is layered and everything is cooked in dum with only fragrant spices, aromatic spices. You know me. As fussy as I am about the biryani, I also can't resist a biryani anywhere I go. Lovely fried onion. The key to all happiness is fried onion. Normally, you would end a good Lucknowi meal with biryani and then dessert. But before I move to the dessert, I'm going to have one more tunde kebab. क्यों? खाते हैं ना? ओह, आप चैलेंज करोगे तो पूरा खा सकता हूं मैं, लेकिन इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू, नॉट अपॉन मी. सिंस इट डिपेंडिंग ऑन मी, आई एम ईटिंग ओनली वन. यह है शाही टुकड़ा, वर्ल्ड फेमस इन लखनऊ. शाही टुकड़ा या डबल का मीठा कहते हैं इसे, विच इज यानी डबल रोटी, फ्राइड, soaked in sugar syrup with rabdi on top. Oh, if you are missing Lucknow and the food of Lucknow like me, then in your own city, visit the Barbecue Nation restaurant and you'll get good Lucknowi khana till the 29th of May. और मेरा ये एडवाइस है कि आप ज़्यादा ड्रीम मत करो खाने के बारे में, नहीं तो सब ऐसे हो जाएगा. हाँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा ड्रीम करो, अच्छे खाने के बारे में ड्रीम करो, ऐसे अच्छे आउटलेट्स को आकर आप खाना खाओ. और अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा तो फिर राइट टू अस, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिएगा और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए कि खाने में क्या है. हाँ, वेरी गुड शेफ, ये बहुत अच्छा है आपका ये कबाब. एंड दे हैवंट कंप्लीटली मैश्ड अप द मीट, देयर इज अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ बाइट टू इट, यू नो, व्हिच इज वेरी नाइस.
And I think the garam masala over there,
इट्स टू मच, बहुत डालते हैं गरम मसाला वहाँ. यहाँ फ्रेग्रेंट मसाले हैं सिर्फ.